Welcome to the clinic of Montchoisy here in Lausanne. Today we have been doing cataract surgery with Goniowash. We are first disinfecting the eye after having done the anesthesia, and then we are putting the sterile drape in order to do the surgery. We are using a lid retractor to open the eye, and then we are starting our phaco by doing first 2 paracenteses. We are injecting some viscoelastic into the anterior chamber, and then we are opening the main incision. Once the IOL has been well placed in the bag of the lens, we are aspirating the viscoelastics. The Goniowash cannula is prepared, and the phaco machine has to be switched on infusion of 80 millimeters of mercury. This increase is important so that we get more pressure towards the cannula. As you can see, on a regular phaco infusion tip, the water will go on either side with an angle of almost 160 degrees. With the Goniowash cannula, designed by Dr. Tran, one of our colleagues, the jet is actually almost parallel to the tip. It goes with an angle of about 20 to 30%, and if you touch the cornea, then the flow becomes really straight, like a chain, and this will give you a lot of power at the level of the trabeculum. This will allow then to wash the trabeculum by moving this cannula about 1 millimeter from the angle and going along the angle, starting in the lower part and going to the upper part of the angle. The Goniowash cannula is a single-use piece. It can't be sterilized because with the special glue used and the material, in case of sterilization, it will melt and change the figure of the cannula.